Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. Here is an easy way to achieve the perfect smoky winged liner look. It's really great for beginners and someone who has hooded eyes. So without further delay, let's begin. I'll take my Maybelline Age Refined Concealer and apply it all over and around my eyes. This is to cover any hyperpigmentation and dark circles around my eyes. I haven't used any eye primer because I am going to keep this tutorial simple and beginner friendly. If you have any concealer, that's all you need. I'll blend the concealer out with a brush to create a smooth base. Next, you will need an eyeshadow palette that has some matte black and brown shade like the Pixi Tones and Texture palette or the Maybelline The Nudes palette, or in this case I am using the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I'll take this shade, which is very close to my skin tone, and with a fluffy blending brush apply it all over my eyelid. This is to set the concealer in place and help blend out the other eyeshadows. Now, I will be using the bottom side of this primer as a guide for the wing liner. You can also use a spoon or a skin tape or any kind of tape you prefer. I'll place the edge near the outer corner of my eye and angle it towards the tail of my eyebrow. This is to ensure we have a nice and lifted winged eyeliner. I'll start by dipping my angled eyeshadow brush into this black shade and pressing the eyeshadow close to my lash line, and slowly extend the eyeshadow and the wing. Once the base line is set, I'll add more eyeshadow to intensify it. Next, I'll take this brown shade and with a fluffy blending brush, buff out the black eyeshadow outwards. This will create a soft and smooth gradient. I'll apply more black eyeshadow near my lash line to add definition to it. I'll go over it one more time with the brown shade to blend out the shades together. I'll draw my inner corner V with the angled eyeshadow brush by extending the corners with the black eyeshadow. I'll also apply the black eyeshadow in my lower lash line and smoke out the edges with the brown shade. Next, I'll take a kajal pencil and apply it in my waterline and buff out the edges with a clean brush. I'll also tightline my upper lash line to give a definition to my eyes. Lastly, I'll curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'll also highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. So here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keeping this look simple and easy that can be worn every day without much effort. All the products used are mentioned in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you all next time.